Hello, everyone. Today, I'd like to introduce AI Reading Lab, a service that solves the new disparity of the AI era, the reading comprehension gap. First, let me ask you a question. Do you have these concerns? I use ChatGPT just like everyone else, but it takes me longer. The quality of my output seems inferior to my colleagues. Actually, the cause of these concerns might be your speed reading ability. In other words, the difference in reading speed leads to a difference in information volume, which directly translates to a difference in outcomes. You might think, then I should just learn speed reading. However, existing services have three major problems. First, location constraints. Most require classroom attendance, which isn't realistic for busy professionals. Second, speed-focused measurement. They emphasize reading speed while neglecting comprehension. There's no point in reading fast if you don't understand. Third, outdated content. Learning to read newspapers or novels doesn't help with the structured responses from AI. That's why we developed AI Reading Lab, a speed reading service specifically designed for the AI era. AI Reading Lab has three innovative features. First, mobile complete. You can start with just 5 minutes a day, during your commute or break time. Second, a new metric called effective speed. We don't just measure reading speed, but speed times comprehension. We evaluate whether you're reading quickly while accurately understanding. Third, practical content. We use actual responses from ChatGPT and Claude for training. You'll acquire skills you can use immediately tomorrow. Let me explain in more detail what we consider speed reading skills for the generative AI era. We've classified the speed reading skills needed in the AI era into three categories and developed programs to strengthen each one. First is find skill. This is the ability to quickly find necessary information. For example, finding monthly fee is $20 from a 500 words ChatGPT response in 10 seconds. This is information extraction. Second is grasp skill. This is the ability to quickly and accurately understand the main points. Grasping the essence. In other words, this is what it means. From a long explanation. This is grasp skill. Third is link skill. This is the ability to correctly understand context and maintain coherence between questions and answers. Judging whether AI's response truly answers your question and connecting to the next appropriate question. This is link skill. By combining these three skills, you can develop true AI utilization capability. Now, let me explain how AI Reading Lab actually works. First, on the left side, skill visualization. With just a 3-minute diagnostic test, we accurately measure your current skill level. Additionally, your skill changes over time are visualized, allowing you to see and feel your skill growth. On the right side, personalized training. Our AI coach analyzes your diagnostic results and automatically suggests training menus tailored to your weaknesses so you can start training immediately. You can also use skill-specific enhancement drills to intensively train your weak areas. In other words, by cycling through measurement, analysis, optimization, you can efficiently improve your AI speed reading skills. Our vision is clear. Eliminating the reading comprehension gap in the AI era, creating a world where everyone can maximize AI's potential. Generative AI has brought wonderful possibilities. However, whether you can benefit depends on your reading comprehension skills. With AI Reading Lab, won't you become a top performer in the AI era? Thank you for your attention.